This is a quick introduction to our new JLG 4-head LED lighting towers. In particular, how to operate the basic functions of the control panel. Firstly, it's important to ensure the light tower is set up with all 4 legs extended and levelled. The legs simply pull outward until the locator pin locks in place, and then pull the adjustment arm pin to drop it to the vertical position. All 4 legs will need to be adjusted one at a time until the tower is levelled off. The level bubble should end up in the middle, which confirms it's levelled off. Before you start the machine, check that the battery isolator is turned on. To do this, you will need to open the canopy by unlocking the clips and pulling the canopy up. The isolator should be turned to the on position. Then close the canopy and lock the pins. So you just got to make sure always that the emergency stop button is deactivated. Just make sure it's pulled out. That's activated, deactivated. Then open the control panel where you will see some switches and a digital display panel. It looks complex, however, it is not too hard to work out. This is the stop button. Then the 2 buttons for auto mode or manual mode. In this video, we will focus on the manual mode only. This is the start button, and then the lights off and the lights on button. On the right are all the controls for the mast functions. Sometimes you get the situation where it goes into power save mode. And as you can see here, the screen goes dead and there's nothing you can do, even if you're pressing buttons here. So the way to bring it out of power save mode is you've got to press manual and hold it. It says for 10 seconds, but depending on the model, that can actually be a lot longer. In this case, it's quicker. So there you go, brings the panel back on. Starting it in manual mode is fairly easy. You need to make sure that you are in manual mode. So if it is in auto mode, this little red light here will be on, so you need to bring it back to manual. It won't just go to manual, you have to press the stop button, then put it in manual mode. If you're starting it, fairly straightforward, press the start button and it'll preheat and count down and then start. To engage the mast functions, you need to hold the unlock button at the same time as engaging the mast functions. Just operating the mast functions on their own won't yield any results. The middle switch will twist the light head like this. The top switch will tilt the light head like this. This allows you to point the light head in the most effective angle. To turn the lights on, you just simply press the lights on button and you press it 4 times until all 4 light heads are on. To turn the lights off, you just press the lights off button 4 times and then lower the head and pack everything up. You can go to flexihire.com.au to find out where you can get your lighting tower.